Guys, Brian back here with another Cardano ADA update. Alright, first we're going to look at Bitcoin real quick because this is going to tell the whole story. Bitcoin's up $1,200 right now as I make this video, 4.44%. Let's look at the technicals right now on Bitcoin on TradingView. Alright, I don't really look at these very often, but they are saying a strong buy. The oscillator's a buy and the moving average is a strong buy. So take it for what it's worth. I think these things are kind of lagging indicator, but we'll take that right now. You know, we want to see strength in Bitcoin. We need to see a break roughly above that 28.8. All right, I'd like to see this thing break out, come back, retest this now as support, and then bounce out of here. That'd be great to see. Of course, that would pull the whole market up with it. Take a quick look at the whole market. That's on the hourly. All right, things have really started moving here within the last hour. The daily, you can see mostly green out there. Pulse, Hex, and Pulse X. They've been kind of taking a beating this week, but they are in, all three of them are in the top 100 now. So this is the top 100 coins. If we look at the top two real quick, we'll see what, yeah, you can see tons of green out there. Looks really good out there for the crypto market right now. So going into a holiday tomorrow for the United States, things are really popping. Let's go over to Cardano. I ended up pulling this up here. The article was Cardano developers up the ante as ADA. You can see how many transactions it did here is crazy. Cardano community. May was a massive month for our DeFi. In only 24 days, Cardano did 2 million transactions. See below May 2nd snapshot and today's data release. You can see here 127 projects launched. Projects building 1,244. So things are looking absolutely massive right now. Transactions grew by 1.5 million. Alright, I'm not going to go through this and bore you guys too much, but if you want to read that, it's on ambcrypto.com. They write a lot of great stuff. They really do. I read a lot of their stuff almost every day. So let's get back to this Cardano chart. Let's take a look and see what's going on here. Alright. Let's pop over here. You can see right now we are, well, that's actually the market cap. I apologize. Pretty much identical charts. They really look the same. This is ADA's market cap chart on the daily right there. You know, and you can see the similarities. They're almost exactly the same. So right now, ADA has busted up above that resistance at 38 cents. All right, let's pop into the hourly and see if this thing is back testing that yet. You can see right here, actually we could pull that line down a hair here. Let's just put her right there. We're probably going to see a back test of that 38 cents as support at some time here. You can see the hourly stochastic RSI still has some room to go up, so this thing could be popping up a little bit higher here. Right now it's up 4.33%. If we look at the technicals on ADA, look at this, strong buy. The oscillators are a buy and the moving averages are a strong buy. So I don't really hold much weight in these technicals unless it's after a couple days of going by. I think it's a lagging indicator, but we will take that right now for sure. Right now, if we zoom out here a little bit on the 4 hour, that stochastic RSI is starting to get a little high. The regular RSI, if you see it, it's up to a 75. So that thing is getting a little overextended. The 8 hour. The 8 hours near the top. It's at, on the stochastic, it's at a 100 and it's at a 96 on the regular. Now let's get into the higher time frames and see what could be going here, right? Because our next major resistance is up here, roughly 39. You know, call it 40 cents. All right, that's our next major resistance area we're going to run into here. Now, if we go into the daily, you can see we have some more up room here on that stochastic RSI. The weekly, look at that. I was excited to show you guys this. Look at that weekly on the stochastic turning up. On the regular RSI, it has turned up. So that is what we want to see. That's where we get our explosive moves out of this thing. The last time the weekly was reset. And if I could ask you guys to please hit the like and subscribe before I forget, I would appreciate that so much, guys. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Right now, the last time this was reset, we had a 75% pump, and if you go the whole way over there, right over to here, ended up being about 90%. All right, we're still looking for a retrace just out of this move right here. All right, so just to get back to the 618 there. Let's see here, and then we're going to go through some targets for this price and some areas that we need to hold. Alright, if we put a Fibonacci on this thing, just to get back to the 618, we're looking at 40.5 cents, right? We get through that 702 and that 786, that is normally the danger area. I'm going to highlight that area because we definitely want to get through there. That is a trouble area. That's where a lot of coins, excuse me, we either get rejected, or if we bust through that, call that 43 cents, we get through there, then we're looking at taking out this high over here. Right now, this thing needs to back test and hold that 38 cents. Because if we zoom in here on the 4 hour, you can see that that was resistance through here. Okay, you can see resistance, resistance. Now we have broken through it. We want to come back. We do not want to lose call it even 37.9. We don't want to lose that. We lose that, and we're back to the square one here, I believe. So that daily, the moving averages, you can see we're coming up to that 50, right up at right about 39 cents. We're going to run into that 50 moving average, but right now we're between both of them, and ADA's looking good. If Bitcoin keeps doing its thing, look for this thing. Like I said, that next resistance is at 40 cents. We get above that, and then we're heading up into the mid 40s. So alright guys, thank you so much. We have any major price moves, I'll be back with you real soon. If not, I'll see you in a couple days. Have a great holiday if you live in the United States. Thanks a lot, guys.